think you can hear me?
I'm guessing so.
Okay. Alright, hello. We are on currently Zuma Beach, down here in Malibu, California. Perfectly sunny day, and there's several flockings of birds right here, as you can see behind me. I guess you could call it a flock, not a flockings. But what I'm about to demonstrate is no CGI. It is no display of anything else but reality. This is a real shot. This is our first attempt, and get ready to watch a bunch of birds fly at a single command. I guess you could call me the bird trainer. Check this out. It's a very fast motion, very real motion. Get ready. Hey, look how many are left. Weird. Thank you. Thank you. That's my talent. Circling. They don't even know what to do exactly. I think I've scared them so much, they don't even know how to land anymore. They might be plotting a plan to get me back, but it's taken them a while to come up with a plan exactly, so I'm not really sure. This guy's coming at me. Okay, he's done. So I don't really know what's going on here. I mean, we might as well wait for another try to scare him again, but I don't know. I think I scared him off. I don't even know what to do anymore. There's so many more people to mess with. It's a beautiful day down here in Malibu. But we'll just sit and wait a little bit longer, see if they decide to land. And oh, look at that. We didn't even have to do anything. They just see me and they're scared. Oh dear. Oh dear. Here it comes. Dude, what the heck? No.